Alrighty, guys. Loki wanted to be in video. This is a Grizzlies. Wow, it's come on, down. This mystery box. Supposed to have electronics. We've had some pretty good luck with these things. As long as keep on having good luck. Keep on getting these suckers. Here, play with that. It's wireless earbuds.
You gotta hold it up where people can see it.
Oh.
Down a little.
Okay.
Down a little.
Oh, down a little.
Right there.
Okay. Then we got more of these chargers. And we got more of these screen cleaners. 2-in-1 Spank and Snap, whatever that means. Okay. I'll borrow your box. Okay. We got several of these. And these actually have been selling well. This is another selfie stick. I'm not going to take it out of the package. I think that's this little thing that goes over your eyes when you sleep. When you sleep. Okay. Earbuds. More of these. We got these other ones too. What did you call it? Say that this was?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry. I'm not quite sure what this is.
Speaker and charger. AccuView, AccuVar, wireless speaker.
Okay. And this is a canvas bag. There. Another one of these things. A vlogging kit. Well, we got this electronic bag. A lot of this is probably going to my store. We've got one more.
Yeah, I bought that for eBay, but a lot of that'll go to your.
Come on, Loki, move. Round. Whoa. Loki. Stop. Go. Don't round me. Like in that tone of meow. And this is one he ordered that I had him order for me.
Yes, makeup mystery.
Yeah, as soon as I can figure out how to open this stupid thing up. Yeah, this sucker's huge. Ouch. Hold myself. So let's see what kind of purdies we got in here now. Oh, they got them in separate bags. Ooh. This, oh yeah. Okay. We've got body wash. Skin cream.
Eucerin.
Barrettes. Makeup brushes. Dental floss thingies. And I don't know what this is. Can I please finish my stuff? Not sure what that is. Bio oil, whatever that means. Well, they package these things up pretty well. I gotta get my glasses. Move them.
That should be the first thing you get when we start these videos.
I had them right here, but I took them off. Let's see. This is bonding oil. Arm & Hammer toothpaste. A brush. It's a nice little brush too. Shine spray. It's maybe for hair or something. And auto-correct makeup. I like the way they packaged this. I really, really do. I've actually got somebody at my store that is waiting for this. That's a lot better stuff than I thought. Elizabeth Taylor Passions. Isn't that pretty? Some powder puffy stuff. Makes it smell pretty. I have no idea. This is a skin lotion.
Oh, that away, Geneva.
Oh, skin lotion. Then we've got several of these makeup. We've got 2 makeup removers, exfoliating cream. If this sells well in my store, then I'll be getting some more of this.
Well, we're gonna see what the prices are on eBay first.
Yeah. I gotta make sure that I get my money back, a little bit extra, for making it, see if it's gonna be worth my while.
Can't blame that on Loki. He's
No.
over here.
I know, I can't blame that on Loki. He was over here. This is, hand wash. This is, Curel. I don't know what Curel is for, but I don't use this stuff. This is hair ties. A cute little purse with lip balms and stuff in it.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah. And bio.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Hello Kitty. It says Hello Kitty Smackers. And this is silk bio silk therapy. Got one more. Knife needs sharpening. And then let's have, wow. Aveeno. It's to refill your bottle. These are little barrettes. Let's see. Perfector 4-in-1 from Maybelline. Blue Lizard Australian Skin Silk Screen. And then Face and Body Drops. I have no idea. And then we got Neutrogena Retinol Moisturizer. And this is all brand new stuff, so I'm quite happy. And I'll be happier when I find out I can get my money back and then some. Alright, then I guess that is, oh yeah, Grizzly got him some of them leggy things. See, compression legs. See about his circulation in his legs. Yep. Alright guys, that's it.
Since we'll be back Saturday night with the live top step on our travel trailer broke. I face planted right into the gravel and ended up in the emergency room again.
Yeah, so that's...
We'll be back.
Alright then. Well, y'all like, share, and subscribe till Saturday night. Bye, y'all. Or until another day.